Hey Lemfam! In this video, I'm gonna answer 3 questions. The first one is, why should you subscribe to this YouTube channel? Second one is, who am I? And the third one is, why am I doing this? To build a successful business, you don't need to read hundreds of books like most of people are saying. But you need 2 things, the right ideas and the perfect execution. This channel will give you both. It will be the most actionable and the most helpful business channel on YouTube. Why? Because I want to answer all your questions. So what you can do right now is write in the comments what you are struggling with at the moment. It can be how to find your first customers for your business, how to find a new job, how to write a great post on LinkedIn. Anything that you have in mind and that you're struggling with, write it down below so I would create a very specific video answering your pain. What I want to do is to help you in public, because what I believe is that the most actionable tips come from real-life examples. So my role is to help you. But why exactly should you trust me? Well, it's time for me to introduce myself if you don't know me already. My name is Guillaume Moubesh, and everyone calls me G. In the last 3.5 years, I built 2 businesses. One that I grew to $600,000 in annual recurring revenue and I sold, and another one that is now valued at more than $150 million that I'm still growing. I built the biggest community around sales automation, interviewed hundreds of thought leaders and millionaires and inspiring entrepreneurs worldwide, and built audiences across pretty much all platforms. This channel is all about giving the secret actionable tips that made my businesses successful. Why exactly am I doing this for free? The first reason is obviously because I love to share. But the second one is I believe that if you want to master a topic, you need to teach it. And for me, this channel is a great opportunity for it. But I'm no Mother Teresa. My bet is that if you find this content really valuable and down the line need one of the software I built, potentially you'll become a customer. But if not, it's fine. In any case, I'm having fun, bringing value, and to be honest, helping others succeed is also a great satisfaction. I hope you'll join the channel, and I'm looking forward to see in the comments what you are struggling with. Be as specific as possible. Give me links to your website, LinkedIn profile, or whatever you're struggling with. It can even be Google Docs of posts that you want to start and you're wondering whether or not they're great. I'd be happy to give you specific constructive feedback and even rewriting things for you so you can really boost your growth. Let's have fun on this channel and have a great day, and see you tomorrow.